Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add work address on the Eurowag Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the second button, the favorites. Here you can find two options, the home or the work. New, click to the second of work, and you can add the work address. You can select the map, and you can add the position, and just type the address and add to your application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.